We under-celebrate it, but it's probably 90% the value of training for a marathon. If you go from being sedentary, to just 20 minutes of physical activity a day, that adds 3 years to your life expectancy. Well, first of all, think about either exploring public transportation ways to get to work. And I know you probably roll your eyes. I'm not going to ride a bus. But actually, there's good research that shows that people who take public transportation have about 20% lower rates of cardiovascular diseases than people who drive to work. Why is that? Because you have to walk from your house to the bus stop and then the bus stop to your work, and then you do that in reverse. That's 4 periods of mindless physical activity every day, every time you go to work. That adds up hugely over time. We under-celebrate it, but it's probably 90% the value of training for a marathon. Number 2, if you can bike or walk to work, I know that's even a bigger stretch for most people, do that. And people say, well, I live too far away. Well, you can always move. And if health is a priority, moving to work might be an important contribution. If you go from being sedentary, to just 20 minutes of physical activity a day, that adds 3 years to your life expectancy.